Hi, my name is Kira B50, and I'm looking for a home. When most people have already finished work, I clean big halls, narrow aisles and corridors or irregularly shaped warehouses. I'm always ready to go. I prefer to clean early in the morning or late at night, fully autonomously. When I run out of energy, I recharge my batteries at the docking station and exchange the water. I'm also very maneuverable and agile. I whiz over the dirty ground with my powerful roller brushes. Well, I must confess, I am a cleaning fanatic. I even clean right up to the wall. Nobody is perfect. Interested? Get to know me. The first fully autonomous scrubber dryer from Karcher.